Home squeegees are a must-have tool for any homeowner looking to keep their windows and mirrors clean and streak-free. There are many products available to choose home squeegees, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best home squeegees from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DSV Standard Window Squeegee. The DSV Standard Professional All-Purpose Window Squeegee is an 8-inch tool designed for cleaning car windshields, shower doors, boats, and other surfaces. It features a lightweight aluminum pole that prevents rust and corrosion, along with a soft rubber blade, and professional nylon netted sponge for professional cleaning power. The squeegee is compact and all-purpose, making it perfect for use in a variety of settings, such as homes, offices, cafes, and more. The product comes with an 18-month guarantee. Number 2. July Home Premium All-Purpose Silicone Squeegee 11-inch. The July Home Premium All-Purpose Silicone Squeegee is a multi-purpose cleaning tool that can be used to clean your bathroom, car, windows, and mirrors. Its 11-inch flexible silicone blade ensures a quick and streak-free cleaning experience. The tool is easy to clean and store with its silicone strap and hook. The stainless steel core ensures a long-lasting lifespan. Number 3. DSV Standard Shower Squeegee. The DSV Window Squeegee is a versatile cleaning tool designed for all-purpose use. Made of high-quality plastic with a durable rubber blade, this squeegee is perfect for cleaning glass windows, walls, car windshields, shower doors, and more. It effortlessly removes water from surfaces, leaving them streak-free and spotless. The 360 degrees rotating head allows for easy cleaning of unique-shaped areas, making it convenient for both right-handed and left-handed individuals. With the DSV Window Squeegee, you can save time and effort in your daily cleaning. Number 4. Jehin Window Shower Squeegee. Introducing the Jehin Window Squeegee, a versatile cleaning tool for your home. With its 2-in-1 convenient design, this squeegee includes a squeegee bar and 2 microfiber clothes. The microfiber clothes help generate soap foam water, while the squeegee bar efficiently scrapes it away. The 60 inches long handle can be extended to protect your waist and back from pain, making it perfect for cleaning high windows and glass doors. The detachable microfiber cloths are super water absorbent and easy to remove from machine washing. This professional squeegee can be used on various surfaces, from tile and concrete floors to mirrors and windshields. With Jehin's 13 years of experience in producing cleaning tools, you can trust that this squeegee will meet your expectations. Add the Jehin Window Squeegee to your cart now for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 5. DSV Standard Professional Window Squeegee. The DSV Standard Professional Window Squeegee is an adjustable cleaning tool that can be used for household and professional needs. Its extendable pole can reach up to 30 inches, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach surfaces. The squeegee blade and sponge provide maximum cleaning performance and a smooth glide without streaks. Its adjustable feature makes cleaning easier for unique-shaped windows, and it is easy to assemble and store. The product comes with an 18-month warranty against defects in design, materials, and workmanship, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer service.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.